Very good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, respected teachers, parents, all dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We all know the reason of the get together here in such a big crowd. We all are excited celebrating this the great day in such an excellent manner. We are gathered here in the celebrate in Independence Day of our nation. First of all, are we have the hoist our honorable national flag, then give a salute to all the heroic deeds of the freedom fighters. I am feeling so proud to be an India citizen. I have such a great chance to give a speech of the Independence Day in front of all of you. I would like to say thanks to my respected class teachers that she has given me an opportunity to share my views with you all about the freedom of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August because of India got freedom on the night of 14th of August in 1947. Just after the Independence Day of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had given a speech on the Independence Day in New Delhi. When people all over the world were sleeping, people in India were working to get freedom and life from the British rule. Now, after the independence, India is the largest democratic country in the world. Our country is the most famous, most powerful country for the saying of unity in diversity. It faces many incident testing. It is secularism. However, Indian people become always ready to answer with their unity because of the hard struggles of our forefathers. We are now able to enjoy the freedom and breathe to our wish. Getting freedom from Britishers was really an impossible task our forefathers did with their continuous efforts. We can never forget their work and always remember them through the history. We cannot remember all the dates of all the freedom fighters in the day. Only, however, can give them a heartily salute. They would always be in the memories and were inspiration to us whole life. And today is the very significant day all of the Indians which is the celebrate remembering sacrifices of the great India leaders who had given their lives for the freedom and prosperity of the country. Freedom of India was possible because of the cooperation, sacrifice and involvement of all the Indians. We shall value of the salute all India citizens because they are the real national heroes who we shall keep the faith in the secularism and never be separate to the maintain the unity. That is we can break and the rule again. So we shall take on the oath today of being highly responsible and well educated citizen of the tomorrow India. We shall sincerely perform. Jai Hind. Thank you.